The next 3 months of the year are fall: October, November, December. How do you know it's fall? This is the time of the harvest moon, the time when the caterpillar makes its cocoon. The weather turns a little cool. Some of us are back in school. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Birds flying south fill the sky. Summer plants turn brown and dry. There are lots of pumpkins and apples around. There is a red and gold carpets of leaves on the ground. So this must be fall. From the Berenstain Bears Big Book of Science and Nature by Stan and Jan Berenstain.